full aluminum classic design with luxurious gloss. Handmade premium keycaps from Aluminum Craftsman. Available in 3 classic colors: green, navy, black. High-end full aluminum Bluetooth keyboard. FINEDAY Keyboard 3 Aluminum Edition. FINEDAY 3 keyboard used full aluminum on all parts, from the keyboard body to keycaps. Strong in moisture and non-corrosive. Its durability is excellent. A classic typewriter design made of full aluminum materials. Super fancy. Each letter on the keycap will remain clear and readable thanks to the engraving method. You can also type in the dark with the keycap shining like a diamond from LED backlights. LED backlights have various patterns, adjustable in speed and brightness with the shortcut key. Lever and knob preserve a timeless design of classic typewriters and practical functions. Lever serves as an extra enter key, while each knob controls the backlights of device volume. FINEDAY 3 can be paired with up to 4 devices at a time. First, connect one wired device. Then press Function and Tab to use both wired and wireless pairing. You can connect to 3 devices via Bluetooth and select which device to use with the easy shortcut, function, and applicable number. Also, to switch between different OS, simply slide the toggle once. We've completed successful campaigns prior to FINEDAY 3, including manufacturing and shipping a variety of products. Kindly support us as we finally present our FINEDAY 3 keyboard to the backers. Premium full aluminum Bluetooth keyboard, FINEDAY Keyboard 3, Aluminum Edition.